That's how to create a custom subscribe button in DaVinci Resolve. Start by creating a Fusion composition and moving over to the Fusion tab. We'll need a background, so add a background node and make it transparent. Add another background node and a rectangular mask. These will form the button. Merge them with the rest of the composition. Choose a color for your button and adjust the mask to shape it however you like. Next, we're going to add a text node and write subscribe or whatever it is in your language. I'm also going to add a play button using a loader node. You could create this in Fusion as well, but I'll use one I downloaded previously and adjust its size and position using a transform node. I want to add a cursor too, so I repeat this process with a cursor icon. And once we have all our elements ready, we're going to animate them. I want to animate the button and all the elements attached to it separately from the cursor, so I'll add a transform node before the cursor and add some zoom at the beginning. I also want the button to bounce slightly when it appears, so I'll add some keyframes for scale and adjust them in the spline editor. To get that bouncy effect, the curve needs to look sign-shaped like this. Then I want the cursor to fade in once the button appears, so I'll set some keyframes for blend in the corresponding merge node settings. To animate the cursor movement, go to its transform node, choose the right position and set your keyframes. Move a few frames ahead and reposition the cursor to where you want it to click on the subscribe button. Now I'd also like to animate the color of our button, so I set keyframes for the background color around the moment where I want the clicking effect to happen. I want the text to change upon clicking as well, so I repeat this process so the text changes from subscribe to subscribed. You'll probably need to adjust the mask after altering the text to ensure the distances and proportions in your button look nice. When clicking on the button, I want it to get slightly smaller, so I return to the respective transform node, set a keyframe for size right before the color and text change, then move a few frames ahead, set another keyframe and make the size a bit smaller. Now I'd like to move the cursor away from the button, so I set the respective keyframes. At the end, you can tweak the splines for smoother movement or adjust the speed of any of your animations, and that's it.